Welcome to this guided meditation video. This meditation is designed to help you find inner peace and calm. All you need to do is find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and follow along as we guide you through the meditation. Let go of any distractions and simply focus on your breath. Visualize a bright and calming light within, and allow it to spread peace and tranquility throughout your entire being. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present, bringing this feeling of calm with you. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position, either with your legs crossed or on a chair with your back straight. Close your eyes and relax your shoulders. Take deep breaths in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhale slowly through your nose, releasing all the air. As you breathe, focus on the air coming in and going out through your nose. Notice how fresh air comes in and how old air leaves. Let all other thoughts drift away and just focus on your breath. If you notice your mind wandering, don't worry. It's normal for this to happen. Simply redirect your focus back to your breath. If you feel comfortable, visualize a bright and calm light in your mind. Imagine this light expanding and illuminating each cell in your body, bringing peace and calm. As you visualize the light, feel the peace and calm spreading throughout your entire being. Let this feeling fill every part of you. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to the present, bringing this feeling of peace and calm with you.